Me not argue with you don't own a bed. Me not argue with you. I pay a fairy tale life you live in Alice in a Wonderland. Me not argue with you. So you not have to run go group up for me see you because me tell myself so me not argue with you shit. Cause when me look for you, you don't make no sense. When me look for you, you stress. Cause when you live a farm you can't go nowhere, when you trap. When you live a farm you can't take plane go nowhere. When you stuck. Shay, when you want to come argue now and play bendong, you are play bendong and stocky in a Belgium. Reba play bendong and stocky in America. And Mackerel play bendong and stocky with the visa them in our book. Only don't have no money to go nowhere. Girl with money focus for money and broke girl use girl business. I don't know now the brokest girl in the app. Shay, Kitty, Mackerel, I'll bring her too. Cause bring her, you have to be a broke girl for so long that people business. Cause people with money think about things and investment. Who just living in people business. If me now go to England, what? I'm here the first and the last. I go get turned down and refuse. What? I'm here first and the last. I go get embassy for a visa and I get it. I want a big deal. What is it? What the blood cut them on top of night, man?